Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we're diving into the world of graphics cards with a spotlight on the SROM-era Radeon RX 554GB GDDR5 graphics card. This compact powerhouse is designed to elevate your visual experience to new heights. Let's jump right in. First off, let's talk about the design and dimensions of this graphics card. Measuring just 5.7 by 2.7 by 0.63 inches, it's perfect for small form factor systems. Whether you're building a compact gaming rig or a workstation, this card fits the bill. Now, let's explore some of its standout features. With 4GB of GDDR5 memory and dual HDMI ports, the RX 550 is ready to handle dual monitor setups with ease. Whether you're gaming, working on multimedia projects, or simply streaming your favorite content in 4K, this card delivers stunning visuals. But what about performance? Powered by the Lexa graphics processor and boasting DirectX 12 and OpenGL 4.5 support, the RX 550 ensures smooth gameplay and seamless multitasking. Plus, with a GPU clock speed of 1183 MHz, you'll experience crisp, lag-free performance across the board. Now, here's where things get really impressive. Despite its powerful performance, the RX 550 is incredibly energy efficient. Drawing just 55 watts of power from your motherboard's PCIe slot, it's a great choice for users looking to upgrade their systems without breaking the bank on a new power supply. And let's not forget about compatibility. Whether you're running Windows 11, 10, 8.1, 7, Linux, Solaris, or FreeBSD, this card has you covered. Plus, with HDMI 2.0B ports and HDCP 2.2 support, you can enjoy protected content in stunning detail. In conclusion, the SROM-era Radeon RX 554GB GDDR5 graphics card is a compact powerhouse that punches above its weight. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or business professional, this card delivers the performance, compatibility, and energy efficiency you need. Thanks for tuning in to UK Pro Reviewer. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and tutorials. Until next time, happy gaming!